Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on passwords and security. Then click on Face Unlock. Enter your current login method and tap on Start at the bottom. Then wait 5 seconds and choose Next in Attention pop-up. Lastly, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you can name your face data however you wish to. Then click on Done. Over here, adjust all of those options, and when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. If you wish to disable Face Unlock, click on this switcher next to Unlock using face data. You can enable it the same way. In order to delete face data completely, click on it over here and tap on Delete Face Data at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!